Alright, so here's the LED Hue app. It's in demo mode right now, but what I'm about to show you is you go in, you tap the app, it's unconnected at the top, so I'm going to go back out and then I'm going to pick, make sure your Bluetooth's on. I want to pick that RT Challenger right there. You can rename this anything you want, and now I'm connected. So I can either turn it off, do what I need to do here. So you can rename it by holding it and tapping rename. I'm going to do that right now. And once you do this, if it's working properly, if you have the right colors, if everything's good, then you can go ahead and hit enter. Most of the times it's like that. But if not, you're going to choose from one of these selections down here. See how it's white? That's not the right one. The WS2811 is one as well, or the SK6812 is one. Sometimes they work, sometimes they don't, but that's just if you're not having the right lights when you first turn it on. So we're going in, and this is the app. It's on auto mode, so it's picking whatever it wants. But you can either do the numbers, or you can do colors. You can pick these colors, and it changes as you can see. Let's do red. It's on red. I always do green next, and then I do blue. That lets you know the colors are calibrated. And then you have a brightness slider right here, and you have a speed slider here. Let's go into the flow mode with the numbers. I personally go straight to 5. That's one of my favorites. You can see that heart is lit up there. So we got 5. I'm going to change the speed. I'm going to slow it down. You can slow the speed down. And we also have 10. It lights up as well. So how do I do that? You pick a number that you like based off the colors you see. Tap the heart. That's how you favorite one of the colors. And then when you go in and hold the heart, you only are selecting the favorites. And I have all of these favorited. As you can see, my favorite color is red, so I choose a lot of the red ones. Pretty much, that is the LED Hue app. And as always, before you leave your car, unless you got it wired in like I do, make sure you shut them off. And now we're back to regular headlights. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.